up a big hill. And then we're going to let him go. And they're going to have to go around that big old tire. Okay, they're going to have to go around that tire. Then they're going to loop around that tire and go to the cross jump, which is in the infield. They're going to go over the cross jump in the infield. Then they're going to hit the jump over in turn number 3. Then they're going to come back around and cross the start-finish line. That's going to be our race. Now, all 4 of them will have the opportunity, and whoever is the fastest on time, they will win. Now, we're going to have a timer on the scoreboard, but just in case that doesn't work, we're going to have DJ Diesel do a timer as well. So, then they're going to hit the big. Here's the jump, cross-phase jump. All right. They got to hit the jump in corner 3. Easier said than done. Who's that for? 32 seconds for Wild Thing. 32 seconds. How about a round of applause for Wild Thing? That's Jeremiah Crane on St. Cloud. Jeremiah Crane, our first ever racing competitor. Next will be Skater, Boss Skater. Boss Skater is going to be next. Now Boss Skater, I heard, is Travis Weiser from Rockford, Iowa. Finally got the opportunity of being trying to drive, right? They always think they can drive better than the driver. Well, now he's got to prove it. He's been a crew chief forever. This year is his first opportunity to actually be a driver. So let's see how he does, right? He's from Rockford, Iowa. Any Iowa people here tonight? Any Iowa fans? Yeah, well, this is your guy. Over to the Story Tower, we've got the steamer. They've got now he's got to hit the jump right here, the cross jump. Okay, now he's got to hit that bump right there. Hit the crossover, the jump in 3. Here we go. 35 seconds. Now the winner will get a trophy. That's awesome. But also the winner gets to start last in the freestyle tonight. And of course we know that's a big advantage. So next will be Monster Patrol. This will be Casey Frontroder from Cambridge, Minnesota. Always wanted to be a monster truck driver. Finally got her chance. She's the only monster truck I know that has sirens on the top. And it's got the beep. We gotta love that. Okay, there's the start. The roof is falling off. You might have seen top. Watch out. Okay. That didn't work out so good. Yep, backs up a little bit, you know. Don't run over the top. Leave off the roof. Does not give you extra credit. It does not. Not a monster truck driver. So, last but not least, to be our first ever racing champion here at Elko Speedway.